Hi traders, welcome to my Forex indicator video tutorial. In this tutorial today we shall be going through this Forex breakout system. Okay, so basically this is a good strategy to trade because it's pretty reliable and easy to execute, and I will actually recommend this to new traders as well. Okay, so the key to a good trading strategy or a good trading system lies in the simplicity of how to execute it. Okay, most people thought that a good strategy has to be something that is very complicated. In fact, it's not. If you check with professional traders, right, you find that the strategy that they use are pretty simple, and therefore the Forex breakout system is one that I will highly recommend to new traders because it's very easy to execute. Okay, so what is exactly breakout? It is actually the sudden movement of a price in a specific directions, and it usually comes after a period consolidation. That means you'll find that the price actually consolidate for a period, they move sideways before they make a sudden movement in a specific direction, and this is what we call a breakout. The good thing about this breakout system is that it has a very high risk reward ratio, and it works on all time frame as well as all currency pairs. Okay, so you don't have to pinpoint saying that it only works for certain time frame or certain currency pairs. It works for all. So example of breakout, let's take a look. Okay, this is the example of breakout. You can see here the price actually moves sideways. You can see that it makes short candles moving sideways, and suddenly the price make long candle and it blasts in a certain direction. And this is what we call a breakout. So as a breakout trader, what we're doing is that we enter a trade here and write the movement. Okay, so there are a few setups, right, that you have to look out for when you're trading breakouts. So one, you need to look for the formation of a triangle. You can see here I actually draw a triangle. This is what we call a symmetrical triangle. Okay, so this triangle formation, and you can see that once the price breaks out of the triangle, it continues to move. And this is what we call breakout. A triangle formation, right, is actually a period of consolidation. So basically there's three main ways of consolidation, and I'm going to show you here in this video tutorial, and one of them is this triangle formation. Okay, and number two is the flag formation. You can see here the price made a sudden movement and then it starts to move sideways. A flag formation, it looks like a pole. You can see this. Okay, for flag formation, right, it must have a long candle which acts as a pole, and this is what we call a flag. And once you break out of the flag, you see the movement that it makes. This is what we call the breakout system. Okay, and the third consolidation pattern is the trend channel. You can see here, you draw a support line, a resistance line, and you can see the price actually move within the tunnel. We call this the trend channel. Okay, a trend channel. And once it made a valid breakout, it actually moved in a specific direction. Some of you will think that, there's a breakout here. Why didn't you enter a trade? Okay, basically there's a way to check whether the breakout is valid or not. Okay, and therefore you have to, for this, right, you have to visit my website and I'll talk more about it, about how to tell whether this movement is a valid breakout or not. Okay, so here we have a valid breakout and the price actually moved up. And basically there's three patterns: the triangle patterns, flag patterns, and trend channel pattern, and they are what we are looking for when we're trading the breakout system. Okay, so now we have to go through the steps to trading breakout. Step one is to set up the Bollinger Band. Okay. Step two is to identify the tree setup, any one of these three setup. Step three, wait for the Bollinger Band to get narrow to show a sign of consolidation. Okay. Step four, once there's a breakout of trend line, a valid breakout, like I said just now, you must enter a trade. So we have an example here. You can see here, the price actually move sideways, forming a triangle. You can see that. And it starts to squeeze the band. You can see the band get squeezed, and eventually a valid breakout here is formed and the price actually moved up. Okay, if you were to enter a trade here, and this movement, right, is about 100 pips. Okay, so a breakout system has a very high risk reward ratio, and it's something that I would highly recommend to any new traders who do not have any strategy on hand. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video tutorial that I have for you. And for more Forex indicator tips and trading strategies, right, you could just visit my blog at forexindicator.org. Okay, and this is where I share my trading tips with you guys. Okay, let's take a look at my website. Okay, basically this is my blog at forexindicator.org, and in this blog, right, I actually share with you things that I know, the Forex indicator that I'm using, and how actually I use them. Okay, they actually comes with diagrams and steps for you to learn how to execute, and some actually comes with video as well. I try to record some videos so that it can help you guys to have a better understanding. Okay, this is the scalping indicators and how I use them. I actually have a video here so that you can watch and have a better understanding of how it works. Okay, besides this, I also have this Forex strategy. I share with you the Forex strategy that I'm using, the various Forex strategy here. Okay, and most importantly, it comes with a Forex FAQ. Okay, this Forex FAQ session, right, is the place where I answer the questions asked by the subscriber of the newsletter. In fact, the newsletter is free. Okay, so over here, this free newsletter here, Forex Trading Newsletter. Once you subscribe, you actually can ask me questions and receive tutorials from me. Okay, I try to answer them here twice a week. And currently, this is about 6,159 subscribers to this newsletter. Okay, so for you guys, right, who come to my website, I hope that you guys spend some time to read through all this thing, because it took me quite a lot of time to write these articles. And actually, there's a pool here. Every month, I'll try to change the pool so that you guys have a better understanding how other traders trade. And I'll share with you the outcome of the pool. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video tutorial, and I'll talk to you again.